I've had my eye on this Spirit Halloween prop since it dropped in 2020 with the goal of repurposing it. I recently lucked out and snagged one on Facebook Marketplace for a great price. The previous owner kept it in excellent condition with all pieces and original paperwork included. Here it is fully assembled and running. I love the movement of this. The swaying head is awesome. But I've always felt that the wood splinter through the chest is a little too graphic and kind of weird for the vibe that I have going on here in my graveyard display. But I really like the sculpt of this prop. If you follow my channel, you know I love my zombies. Not crazy about the red eyes, but they actually don't look half bad when they're not glowing, so I don't think we'll do anything with those, at least for now. So the goal here is to hopefully remove the wood splinter entirely, and if those hands can be detached, I'm planning to rotate them and mount them onto the spindles of my graveyard fence. So once activated, he'll sway back and forth, creating the illusion that he's trying to break free from the graveyard. I'm not too crazy about this shirt. We may end up swapping that out as well. It depends on how it looks with proper lighting. Okay, I was able to remove the splinter and detach both hands without any issues. Once positioned on the fence, the hands are going to look great. It's really going to give it that breakout effect that I'm aiming for. During initial assembly, I noticed that, like many spirit props, the connection points are relatively weak. I'm concerned with their ability to withstand continuous repetitive motion with the arms in a new unintended upright position. So I'll be adding a 1/2-inch PVC cross piece and we'll be attaching new PVC arms to strengthen it. Here we are at the bench. I hope the lighting is okay. As you can see here, the arms are secured using small elastic bands threaded through openings in the plastic shoulder pieces. So I'm going to size this piece of PVC and attach it to the existing cross piece underneath. This will allow me to add makeshift upper and lower arm sections to where the shoulders fall. You'll see that here in just a moment. So this should take the strain off these existing arms. As you can see, these are currently made with a very thin pool noodle material. Now by sliding the pool noodle arms over the top of the new PVC arms, it gives the arms a bit of girth. These are now nice and sturdy and should hold up quite nicely. I did make the decision to pull the power connection that goes to the prop head. This should control the eyes from glowing. All right guys, so check this out. It's everything I hoped for. I think it looks amazing. What I had to do though is, in order to get the hands over, I had to pop the screws out, pull it all the way up and then back down through the hand. So that's gonna have to be repainted there. It scuffed this one up as well, but check it out. Yeah, it looks really awesome. Oh man. It looks killer. don't know. What do you guys think? I think my problem with those eyes is the pupils. If they were just like red, I don't know how well that shows up on camera, but yeah, in person there's like pupils like drawn or painted on. It just looks kind of odd to me. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. Red eyes? No red eyes?